Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a custodial account on Trading 212. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Trading 212. From the search results, click on the official Trading 212 website to access it. On the home page, select the Open Account option to begin. Next, carefully choose your country of residence from the list to ensure your account information is accurate. After selecting your country, click Next to move forward with the setup. Now, choose the type of account you would like to open, for example, Invest, CFD, or Stocks ISA, depending on your trading and investment goals. Enter your email address and create a strong, secure password for your new custodial account. Once all required fields are completed, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Create Account. After your custodial account is successfully created, you can start exploring and using the Trading 212 platform. You will be able to buy and sell stocks, monitor your portfolio, and analyze live market data. The platform also provides various tools to manage your investments, set price alerts, and track your financial progress. Trading 212 is a user-friendly and secure platform designed to make it easy for anyone, including custodial account holders, to trade and grow investments conveniently from a computer or mobile device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.